Mohammed Faisal Aidil was the gold medalist in the 100 metres, and he's surely red-hot favourite to go through from this heat. And I think we're going to look at broken games records again in this competition. I think come the final, this fella can go underneath that games record, and we've already seen Hanafia able to do the same. So there aren't that many competitors in the T12 category, but the quality is outstanding. Just a reminder, if you missed the instruction earlier, these are visually impaired athletes, or athletes with visual impairment, but they're not completely blind. And new games record confirmed, it's been round up to 23.40 from Hanafia. And that 23.82 from Somdek is a pretty good run as well. And even Ganja Jatnika, 24.74. We need to look at the times. These two competitors have got to go inside 24.74 to qualify for the final. But for these two, I don't think that's a big problem. Neither of them running with a guide. They have very limited vision, but they can see a little. They can see enough for them to negotiate their way around the track, and of course if they can run without the guide, that's a big plus.
This is the 8th ASEAN Para Games. Please be reminded, National Stadium is a smoke-free facility. And also, we urge you to help keep our games as clean as possible by disposing of all litter in the right bin. You can also get some great ABG merchandise all over the main stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Heat 2, men's 200 meters T12. Here are your athletes. In lane 3, from Indonesia, Arjono Tarihoran. In lane 5, from Malaysia, Muhammad Faisal Aidil Suhaimi. This is Heat 2 of the men's 200 meters T12.
Well, after all the hanging around has finished, they're about to go head-to-head. The strange thing is it doesn't matter who wins, they've just got to beat the time of 24.74 to make it to the final. However, there will be a lot of bragging rights about winning this particular heat. They go again this afternoon. They're fully warmed up. They'll enjoy having a good run. Mohammed Faisal Aidil, gold medalist in the 100 metres, against Harjono Terehoran, silver medalist from the 400. Well, and on the outside, Mohammed Faisal Aidil has blasted away. Well, he's taken a huge lead, even allowing for the stagger. He's already 6 or 7 metres ahead as they come off the curve. Well, he has enough time to look around and just coasts home. And he's hardly working hard here, and yet look at the time. He's still running 24.94. Well, that's slower than all 3 competitors from the first heat. But given that he beat Harjono Terehoran, it means that he qualifies for the final, and that's when the business will start. So Harjono Terehoran just lacking the pace needed to qualify for the final of the 200 metres. The first heat a fair bit quicker than the second one, so the finalists will come 3 from heat 1 and just 1 from heat 2.